So we are headed off once again.
Here we go.
I feel like we're going a lot and it's good.
I love it.
I talked to my sister last night and she was like, what are y'all doing? And I was like, oh, I'm packing. She was like, y'all always gone.
McMuffins and 4 hash browns. Thank you.
We got our McDonald's. We are going to Denver, Colorado to visit Ahmad's brother because he's having a baby. So we're going to the baby shower. But since we're going on a trip, you know we can't just go to the baby shower.
Right.
So we're gonna be exploring and obviously doing other things.
Excuse me, Daddy.
Yes, baby boy.
Who's your brother?
Who's my brother? You tell me who my brother is. That's right. Thank you.
You love quizzing people.
Alright.
We just keep you on your toes.
Yeah.
Make sure you know.
Alright. Making sure you know. You're so fine.
Oh, thank you.
And I love it when you don't have no makeup on. I like it when you do have makeup on, actually, too.
Pick it. Which one? Which one is it? These men are so confusing.
No, girl.
I like it with you no makeup. I like you when you have makeup on.
No, girl, you so fine. I go either. Listen.
You go both ways.
That's why I stopped myself.
Makeup or no? I could take you both ways. That's what you mean. You can take me both anyway.
I don't know if I like the way that sounds either.
So you need specific words. You can you.
I'm fine with either or, makeup or no makeup. How about that?
Okay, well we're almost there. So we're here at the airport. We did pretty okay. Actually, no, we're sucking right now. We forgot the car seat, but luckily Cairo is like booster seat size now, so we'll just try to pick up a booster seat when we get there.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Number 2, we got 3 strikes. Actually 4. Ahmad forgot to take out his body wash, and he forgot to empty out his water bottle. And then I put the kids' water bottles in my bag and forgot to empty it out. So
yeah,
it's not the worst, but like, what are we doing? Like we don't
like rookies out here. Like we don't do
like it's crazy. We're gonna get better.
We are better than this.
One thing I did do is bring an extra bag, so I take one less personal that we can have, so that we always have an extra bag to just throw little stuff in. So we put our coats in there. You want to go in there?
Yes!
We have these 2 bags, but the one at the top is just coats. These 2 guys eating at McDonald's. We were rushing this morning, and we actually have a lot of time.
You know what? I don't even feel like we were rushing.
No, I feel like okay.
Because
So we weren't.
I said let's leave the house at 7, but we didn't leave until 8, right?
But we probably could have left at like 9.
Yeah, it was like, we didn't leave until 8.
fine.
We probably could have left at 9.
I want to get stuff done on my computer, but I slept maybe 2 hours.
Tired?
No, it's almost like when you get on the airplane, the motion and then the sound, it's like white noise.
Did you bring the pillow? The blow up pillow? You love it.
I got my pillow. I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to use it because we supposedly have separate seats, so one kid will be in me, one kid. Maybe I should take my seat. Cairo won't sleep on his own. He'll want to sleep on me. But yeah, we'll see how that works out. So while we were waiting, I put a little makeup on. But we are boarding the plane now. Denver. So happy that we prepared for the cold weather with our coats and our gloves and our boots. because good Lord, it is snowing here. Flights are canceled, not ours obviously, because we just had one place to go. Oh goodness. Guys. Okay, just get on the elevator.
Two. That's good.
So this weather here is crazier than we thought. Trying to get some food. We're at Chick-fil-A.
There's a Wendy's.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
We were trying to get through the drive-through and we couldn't get through.
Wendy's.
But that's because it's closed.
Y'all want
due
Wendy's?
to the weather.
Bye-bye.
You want pop?
Like, what is going on here? Where did we come to?
Wendy's or Popeyes, but Wendy's do sound good.
Popeyes. Ooh, Popeyes. I ain't had Popeyes.
Popeyes?
In a while.
What about some fries?
Yeah, we're gonna get some of those too.
Just wish it wasn't like this weekend. You gotta make the best of it though.
We're still gonna have a good time.
Can I see the camera?
See the camera?
Oh, what you wanna say, Cairo?
I can turn into Chase.
Okay.
But I don't want to show you.
Okay. So what was the point in any of that?
A point?
What was the point?
Why did you say it if you ain't gonna show it?
Yeah, why did you even tell me? Like, you got me all hyped for nothing.
Right, we was ready, dude.
I don't want to show you. I'm going to show you at my family house.
You don't ever visit. You don't ever let me even visit your family.
My brother and my sister, and my brother can change into Rebel.
Oh, so now y'all got powers.
And my sister can change into Sky.
Of course, I would have told you that.
My dad can change into Marshall.
Oh, okay.
What about
your mom?
I thought your dad would have been like Ryder or somebody.
No, my dad's not Ryder.
Oh, my
You
bad.
don't even know his dad.
My dad.
He said his dad has got the same name as me, so I got an idea. He sounds like a great guy.
No, he ain't got the same name as you. He was joking that day because he told me something else.
What's your dad's name?
Corrado.
That's the same name I heard him say before.
That's his dad's name.
Wow. He is consistent.
Corrado.
Corrado. Okay.
Okay, Corrado. Come get your kid.
Come get your kid, Corrado.
We have to explain. One day I'll let Cairo explain his family.
Yeah.
I can't explain it, but you know, he explains it very well. So we got Popeyes. Is everybody excited?
Yeah.
I realized when we got here, I never showed y'all the place. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna show y'all what it all looks like. Space for everybody to sleep and be around and not feel on top of each other. Perfect. No complaints at all. Except on low blinds, there was a couple slats missing. But whatever. A lot of Airbnbs have like doors locked. This one didn't. Just open up a closet and you're like, oh, that's what I need. Towels, laundry, soap, any broom, all that. Very accessible, so great. smoothie guy.
We had a pancake flight. What do we have? Cinnamon roll pancakes, strawberry shortcake, and blueberry. And those were all
really good. And then we had the crab and asparagus omelet. And when I saw it, I was just like, I don't know, something about it. Like, I want to try that. And it ended up being really, really good. And now we're headed to Meow Cat. I don't know.
Meow Wolf.
Meow Wolf. Oh my gosh, Meow Cat. Meow Wolf.
I mean, it makes sense, but
yeah, that makes sense. Meow Wolf Denver. It's like a place that's interactive art, but like it's weird and wild.
Hallucinogen type experiences.
Yeah, that's basically what it's like. But yeah, we'll be there soon. We'll show y'all all about it. What book should we read?
That one.
We went to Meow Wolf. Meow. It was actually a fun time. What did you think about it?
I thought that was dope. I thought it was
It is very expensive.
yeah, it was extremely expensive. Well, not extremely, but you know, it was expensive.
Well, to some people it was extremely
like
expensive.
$55 a person. Kids were $50, and Cairo didn't have to pay. Thank goodness, because he was kind of iffy about it anyway. But he ended up warming up to it after a while. But yeah, that was a cool experience, man.
Yeah.
And I had been to a place similar to that in Vegas called Area 15. I think it's Area 15. But yeah, it was like the same vibe and just interactive, and I feel like they had more to do at Area 15.
Probably it's not the same thing,
right? But
I remember you FaceTiming me, so
yeah,
I saw
they had a whole like arcade and game room at Area 15. But nonetheless, don't fumble a banana now, baby. Dang, you gotta be better than that. But yeah, so that was real fun, man. I'm glad we got a chance to experience something.
Yeah, as a family.
As a family while we were out here. That was a good time for sure. So
we still got one more day.
One more full day. Well, one more day. Yeah, because Monday morning we gotta leave back, and we gotta be out by like 2. Plus, I want to leave early so we can go to the
Capital One Lounge.
Yeah, the Capital One.
Because if you have a Capital One credit card, then you have access to the Capital One lounges at certain airports. It's not that many, but Denver has one. Ahmad has experienced the lounge before when he came last year. But I was on FaceTime when he went to the lounge, and I was kind of jealous because like nice. The food, they had showers.
Listen.
They had a little meditating room.
Lit.
They had sleeping pods. Oh
showers,
yeah, the bar. Yeah.
Unlimited food, by the way.
So this time we're gonna go to the lounge and hang out there before we leave. So yes, we got one day, but that's a part of our I guess that's a part of our experience as well. Going to the lounge. Yeah. So that'll be a nice way to get on the plane. We're headed to the baby shower, but we stopped back here first. Since Cairo doesn't really eat much, I wanted to stop back and make him some oatmeal.
Sit up though.
So he could have something in his belly. Because he probably won't eat the Qdoba unless it's like, I don't know how Qdoba like caters food, so I don't know if they have like the rice and then you like make your own thing. Right. But even with that, there's not a lot of stuff that he's gonna eat. So yeah, gonna make him some oatmeal. I wish I had a container to put this in, but I don't. I'll just take the bowl, shoot. I got Cairo's oatmeal. All right, let's go. So we came to the Nature and Science Museum. It's in Denver as well. As y'all know, that we like to just get out and explore, and we love to find a museum wherever we go. So we chose this museum. They also have the Children's Museum, but I don't know if we're gonna go there. Yeah, so we're here right now. We actually got some food because we did not eat before we came, but they have a full cafe, and me and Ahmad got like ramen bowls, basically.
I don't think I've ever had ramen before. This might be my first time like going to a ramen.
Yeah, not like the ramen pack.
Yeah. No, I had plenty of ramen noodles in my life.
Yeah, I'm gonna try mine as well. Naseem got a hot dog because he always gets a hot dog, and Cairo is passed out. I'm gonna try to wake him up before we leave this area.
Struggling with these chopsticks.
You ain't getting none of the meat.
I know. I'm getting there.
You practicing?
Gotta savor the flavor for last, girl.
You practicing? I feel, am I holding it right?
I just did it like this.
I don't think I'm.
Finger in between. It's your middle finger in between.
This is my middle finger.
Right, but you gotta tilt the top stick up a little bit more. Like hold it up between.
Like this?
I mean, it works like that, but I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it.
I think I need to go do a tutorial first.
Yeah.
But get these chopsticks. I'm hungry. Got a fork. That's what I'm about to use. Kids had a good time. They played in the water and got absolutely soaked. So we'll see how we navigate that. I think we're just gonna put their coats on in the car and take these shirts off.
Maybe they just
They are wet.
Maybe they just ride with no shirt on. No
Oh yeah, no, yeah, they can do that.
Stop. Oh yeah.
Good morning. It is the next morning. We literally stopped recording at the museum because things were so busy, and then we got back and then we had people over, and yeah, just in the midst of everything. But the museum was so nice. We didn't even get to do everything. because we ran out of time. We had about two or 2.5 hours there, more like probably 2. And we did not get to do everything. We will definitely have to go back there. It was the Nature and Science Museum here in Denver, and we'll definitely have to go back if we come back here, because there was still some cool things that I think that we did not get to see. But yeah, it was a fun time. The kids had fun. Like I said, they were soaking wet. They were so wet. I think I got a picture of them. I'm not really sure, but they were soaked. When we got in the car, we ended up taking their shirts off and just putting their jackets on. And then when they got back to the house, they just took their jackets off. So it was just like these bare chests. It was actually hilarious. But yeah, I ended up after we hung out and everything, I just passed out. I was so tired. I didn't even get to say bye like last night because I was so tired, and I didn't mean to go to sleep, but I was putting the kids to sleep. I lay down and I was out. But yeah, now we're preparing to leave. And we had a great time here. We've enjoyed ourselves. I didn't really show all the other people that were here with us, like even here staying in the Airbnb. There was me, our family obviously, Ahmad's parents, and then my brother-in-law's wife, her mom also stayed here. So yeah, they all stayed here, and I just, you know, I try to respect the fact that everybody doesn't want to be on camera, so that's pretty much why y'all didn't maybe see as much of them. And then when we did our outings, we did them solely by ourselves, so they weren't even there. So when we were with everybody else, it was either at the Airbnb or when we went to the baby shower. And even last night we had everybody over, and yeah, we all just hung out, watched the football game. I fell asleep before the game went off. I just passed out. I was so tired. I didn't even get to say bye like last night because I was so tired, and I didn't mean to go to sleep, but I was putting the kids to sleep. I lay down and I was out. But yeah, now we're preparing to leave. And we had a great time here. We've enjoyed ourselves.
Hi.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes, you had a good time?
Yeah.
Cairo, did you have fun?
Yeah. Mom. Huh?
Man, I enjoyed it. I think it was a good space to have. And got a chance to see my brother and my parents and my brother's new in-laws. So it was really a good time, man. It was a good time, and I'm glad we got a chance to come out as a family and celebrate with them. Shout out to David and Gabby. Congratulations on the baby.
And the baby's due date is Cairo's birthday. Which I'm really hoping the baby does not come on Cairo's birthday. I just like everybody in the family to just have their own birthdays.
Hello.
Not share a birthday.
Yeah, no, I hope he comes.
Like a day before or a day after, just not the exact day. Because my niece Olivia, her due date was my birthday, and I was like, please Lord, don't come on my birthday. So she came the next day.
You should come on my birthday.
This man is too much. Anyway, eating my oatmeal.
Yeah, putting water in your water bottle.
We're getting ourselves ready to go.
Get some water.
And yeah.
I'm gonna spill here. We probably don't have to.
All right, we are now headed to the airport. We'll be back at some point. And yeah, congratulations, guys. We hope to next time see the baby. All right, I think that's it. Guys, you can actually see it up there. See it. That's the lounge. There are the people walking. So we're currently waiting to, we're on the wait list. We're like the first ones on the wait list. But we're waiting to enter. So Ahmad just took the boys to the bathroom while we wait. So yeah, that's what's going on now. I just ate a lot of food. I'm actually full. Cairo's eating mac and cheese. Nassim had a chicken sandwich. Was your chicken sandwich good?
Yes.
Okay. How was your food?
I had some of everything.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff up there. How's your mac and cheese?
Good.
Yeah.
I'm full.
Okay, Cairo. You don't see yourself talk. Yeah, we have like, let me see. We have an hour and a half.
We're going on an airplane.
Going on an airplane to go back home.
Go back to our new home. Meow.
Yeah.
Meow.
We made it. And we're back. Now it's time to go get our car and head home.